In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to take to change the font of any text object within CorelDRAW. Changing your typography is one of the most fundamental skills you can master in this software, and fortunately the process is incredibly straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, you first need to make sure that you have the right tool selected for the job. You will want to navigate over to the very top of your toolbar located on the left side of your screen and select the Pick tool, which is represented by the standard arrow icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also simply press the spacebar on your keyboard to toggle this tool instantly. Once you have the Pick tool active, you just need to click directly onto the specific text object that you are looking to modify. You will know that the text is properly selected when you see a rectangular bounding box with small black handles appear all around the edges of the words. Now that your text is selected, move your cursor up toward the horizontal property bar, which is situated at the very top of your workspace interface. You should see a section dedicated to text properties. Look for the font list drop-down menu, which usually defaults to standard typefaces like Arial or Calibri if you are working on a brand new document. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal the full list of installed fonts available on your computer system. As you scroll through the list, you can simply hover your mouse over various font names to see a live preview of how they look directly on your canvas. This is a fantastic way to test different styles without committing to them too early. When you finally find the perfect typeface for your design, just click on the font name to apply it to your selection.